legit, don't take no lip. Chew tobacco, chew tobacco, chew tobacco, spit. All head.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dippin' Damien back here with another Dippin' Daily review. And today, not so excited for this one, but today we got some Grizzly long cut mint. And yeah, I don't like mint too much, but we'll do a review on it for you guys. And yeah, let's start it off with a dip. So everybody out there watching with me, you already know. Take a dip with me, cheers. God damn it. Whew. 1, I forgot something to spit in. And 2, feels like I just squeezed the whole thing of toothpaste in my mouth. I'll be right back. Alright everybody, I'm back. Got the Dushan bottle today again. For me, it's too minty. Everything else about it is great though. I just took my last little bit of it. So I would show you the packability and pinchability, but kinda too late for that. But y'all know Grizzly long cut. It's the same as Grizzly long cut wintergreen. The packability's good. The pinchability's good. The flavor, I'm not too hot about the mint flavor, but presentation is great. I love the presentation on the can. I like the blue and the camo tin. Looks pretty good. And the sides, pretty good presentation on the sides. So today, got a couple things to talk about. Shout out to UT Southpaw 2013 for giving me some for giving me some advice. Helps a lot. Thank you very much if you're watching this. But yeah, got a question from him. Saw it earlier this morning, and I figured, hell, why not throw it in with a video? So he says, what do you like about dipping the most? I'd say the different flavors. I like trying the different flavors, seeing what's new, seeing what they come out with, different brands. But when I dip the Copenhagen wintergreen, I just like that. One, it gets you a buzz. Well, for me, it gets me a pretty good buzz if you throw a fat one in. And 2, it makes your mouth smell pretty good. So all the ladies out there are gonna want to give you a big kiss. But just kidding. Most ladies are gonna be like, yuck, take that shit out. I'm sure a lot of y'all out there know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. He also said to say how the packability in your lip is. And it packs pretty nicely in your lip. If y'all know how to dip, you know that how to keep your dip in the one spot. But yeah. So, today, also, it's something to talk about. Got a kind of a story here for y'all. One day, well, let me think. I should probably rate this as 18 and above. Because this story is, yeah, you'll see. But, anyways, so I had a 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And I put some money into that Jeep. I loved it. Had some, I don't remember what size tires they were, but had some mud terrain tires on it. Had cut the muffler out of it. Put from the resonator and the cat back, there was no muffler all the way back, so it sounded pretty good. It was inline 6, so it wasn't the greatest, but hey, I loved it. But anyways, one day I go by my dad's house, and he gives me this full tin, and shit, I can't remember what tin it was. I think it was Old Faithful, the Copenhagen Wintergreen, and he told me he put some moonshine in it. So my stupid ass fucking, I leave, I go to my ex-girlfriend's, or I'm on my way to my ex-girlfriend's house. And I had a dip in while I was driving, almost all the way there. And it started losing flavor, so I threw that shit out, packed me another one. And as I was packing another lip, I packed it, looked down as I was driving, looked down at it, went to get me a pinch, and I fucking hit the curb, go onto the median, and I smashed into 2 light poles. That was the scariest shit ever, but the Jeep was totaled, and I was fine, but damn, I missed that thing. So, in life lesson, watch the road. So yeah, but after I hit those 2 light poles, I pulled over, and within 2 minutes, there's a cop driving the other way. And I saw him. He flicked his lights on. Well, she. It was actually a female who first came to the scene. But she flipped her lights on, came over, and she smelled alcohol on me. So, she gave me a field sobriety test. Passed that shit with flying colors. It was just because I had the dip in. And it's in my mouth. And it's obviously going to smell. So, yeah. But got arrested that day. And, yeah. Wasn't fun at all. They took my Jeep to the junkyard. They fucking probably crushed that shit by now. That was like a year ago. And it's February right now. So next month it'll be a year. So yeah. Don't dip with moonshine and drive. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, thank you UT Southpaw 2013 for subscribing, commenting. Everybody else out there, subscribe, comment, give me advice on videos, on what I should do, what do you think I should do better, everything. But if you have any dip challenges, dip reviews, questions, throw it down in the comments. And once I get to 100 subscribers, that 100th subscriber is going to win a black mud jug. So yeah, subscribe for that 100th subscriber and get yourself a free black mud jug. Let's get to that review. Now that I've let it sit in for a little bit, I know I repeat myself sometimes, but whatever. I don't really edit these videos, just so y'all know. I just hit the record button and let her rip. But yeah, let's start. Presentation, I give it a 10 out of 10. Grizzly knows how to do it just like I'd say Copenhagen. Copenhagen does good presentations too of their tins. Grizzly and Copenhagen are my top two. But of course, both wintergreen. This mint, don't like it too much. But that's just me. Maybe y'all will like it. So, give it a try. I'd say, give it a try. Why the fuck not? But yeah. So presentation's good. 10 out of 10. Packability, pretty good. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Pinchability, pretty good as well. I'd also give that a 10 out of 10. And then, god damn it, this freaking computer. I don't know, you guys can't see it, but my computer, after so long, the whole screen will turn black, and then I can't even see myself in the freaking screen. So, I keep having to touch the computer so I can see what I'm doing. But anyways, the packability in your lip, pretty good. I got it all in one spot right now. I didn't throw me in a fat one. Didn't have too much left. Don't like the mint too much, but I can show y'all. I'm packed up pretty good in my lip. Have had it in for the past 15 minutes. That's what it says. So yeah. Went on mudjug.com. Go on mudjug.com. They got a special offer right now going on for if you buy a custom mud jug. They throw in a I forgot what it's called. No, one of the original mud jugs, the plain colored ones, for free. So head on over there and get yourself an extra mud jug. Because why not? So yeah, I think that's all about. Or I think this video is pretty good on the review. So if you guys have any comments, questions, dip reviews, dip challenges, put it down in the comments. I love to hear from y'all. And thanks for dipping with me. And it's Dippin' Damien, and I'll be back for another dip review. Maybe later today with the Skull Peach. I'll probably do the Skull Peach later today. And then, I don't know. We'll see what comes tomorrow. But it's been good dipping with y'all. Thanks for dipping with me. It's Dippin' Damien, and I'm out.